a pre-departure orientation ceremony of over 100 students who will begin their graduate and undergraduate programs in the United States was hosted by the United States Educational Foundation in Pakistan at Avari Towers, Karachi. Speaking on the occasion, Cultural Attache Susan Ross said,
I'm really pleased to be here. I always enjoy these kinds of events because I know that everyone in the room, as has been mentioned before, had to work really hard to get to this point. So I would reiterate the congratulations towards you and commend you for your accomplishments, and we're really here to wish you well. Some of us will be participating in your breakout sessions and your activities this evening. I also wanted to commend you for your courage. It's not easy to leave your home and to go somewhere very unfamiliar, very different from where you're used to being, and to embark on a course of study and a path that will take you in a direction that is as yet unknown. So from the U.S. Consulate to you, congratulations to you, and go forth with our admiration and support.
Student Janan Ali Mirza said,
Hi, my name is Janan Ali, and I'm currently a pre-engineering student, and I'm going to the state of Florida in University of Central Florida to continue mechanical engineering. I went to Ma Parsi Girls Secondary School, and then I went to Khan Higher Secondary School, and now I plan on going to USA for my education. My visa is for 5 years. I tend to study there for 4 years, and then for some experience, and then I tend to come back and do work over here. I already have a scholarship, but it's not too much, so I plan on increasing that scholarship by improving my grades more and more. Okay, first of all, you need to plan exactly what you need to, what you want to study, and then you need to decide a state where you want to study, where it's best according to your major. And then you just research and apply according to what you can afford and what you want to do.
Student Izan Ahmed said,
My name is Izan Ahmed, and I'm going to Grinnell College. It's in Iowa, and I'll be leaving next month. I did my O-levels from Indus Academy and A-levels from Nixer College, and I applied through there. I'm going to be studying math, chemistry and physics, and maybe computer science. I'm not sure. I'm going to decide that later. I do have a scholarship at Grinnell. I would just advise that you should start early and not wait for the last moment. And for example, if you're writing your essays for the colleges, just start 5 to 6 months early, because that's what I regret doing, and you're gonna cramp up in the end. And just prepare for your SATs as well, from really early, and yeah, you'll do a great job. And extracurriculars, just be a part of that, be in the sports team or the debate team, or it's gonna help you out.